How to hide Snapchat chat. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Snapchat. And once you do that, let's go ahead and click on the chat icon at the bottom left to access the chats section. Now, once you are here, say for example, you wanted to delete this chat right here with the Snapchat team. Now, what you will do is you will click and hold on the chat, and from this given uh, menu list that just appeared, let's click on chat settings, and from there click on the red text option that says clear from chat feed. And as you can see here, you will have this pop-up right here that tells you that this will clear the conversation from your feed, meaning that it will hide the chat from your chat section, but it will not delete any saved or sent messages in your conversation, which is probably what you want. You just want to hide the chat, you don't want to delete it. So click on clear, and as you can see, the chat has been hidden from the chat section. Now if we wanted to get back the chat or wanted to check it one more time, what you need to do is you need to click on the search icon at the top left, this one right here, and search for the chat of the person that you have just hidden, and here you will find all the chat. As you can see, it has not been deleted. Now if you want to bring the chat back to your chat feed, what you need to do is only just send a message and the chat will be automatically um back on your chat feed, as you can see right here. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can hide conversation or chat uh, on Snapchat. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.